Coco Martin!
We are now at Magsaysay Park, located at Davao City. It is a beautifully landscaped public park. On the right side of the park, you will see the skating rink. This is where you can rent bikes and skates, which is also one of the reasons why people visit the park. The park also has a 200 square meter playground where kids can enjoy while the parents are having their businesses. At dito makakarenta tayo ng bike sa halagang 50 per oras. Uy, Ming! Ming, 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 Ming! At the center of the park is the 25-meter long tri-pillar obelisk-like concrete tower that contains the life-size statue of President Magsaysay, which serves as the main market of the park. The monument was built through the effort of the Davao chapter of the Philippine Veterans Legion and was turned over to the city government of Davao on July 31, 1960. The park features several amenities, such as an open-air amphitheater, which serves, among other things, the regular venue for public discourse during Sundays, which can accommodate 2,000 persons, a restaurant, a cooling station, several food kiosks, ornamental plant stalls, souvenirs and handicraft stalls, a skating rink, a children's playground, an open-air chapel, and a secured parking area which is located south of the park. The park is a popular venue for trade fairs, cultural shows, craft sales, creativity workshops, and public forums. The Kalimudan Pinaghiusa sa Mindanao, Mindanao Indigenous Peoples Gathering Exposition, was a week-long celebration of indigenous knowledge and wisdom which showcased a variety of architecture and the songs and dance of the 24 indigenous communities all over Mindanao. It was the first Kalimudan or gathering of its kind in Mindanao. The park is also frequented by students from the different parts of Mindanao for educational field trips. The open-air chapel of the Nuestra Señora del Pilar is located near the seawall of the park. Just outside Magsaysay Park lies a strip of stalls selling fruits like pomelo and durian. This is where jeepneys unload the massive supply of fruits from plantations. Because of the amount of fruits and the number of stalls selling them, vendors adjust prices competitively to best out the others. Price haggling is a common practice here, especially when certain fruits are in season, so make sure you have the charm. Magsaysay Fruit Vendors Association, which consists of a long row of fruit stands that sell durian and other fruits abundant in Davao region. At pagkatapos nito ay uuwi na ako.